Hello, everybody. It is the American Doofus Show. We have breaking news. There's been an explosion in a high rise in Baltimore, Maryland at the BGE high rise. It is an energy company. 23 people have been injured, 21 have been hospitalized. You can see the dangling apparatus from window washers. There were window washers that were rescued. You can see the hole in the window where some of the window washers were rescued. And 23 people injured. Roof has collapsed. 21 taken to area hospitals. Cause of the explosion is undetermined at this time. Once again, it's breaking news on the American Doofus Show. Don't be a doofus. BGE, which is an energy company by the Exulton brand. 23 people injured, 21 hospitalized at this time. Part of the roof has collapsed. An explosion in this high rise. The cause of the explosion is undetermined at this time. We do not know if this was an act precipitated by someone or if this was simply an accident. That is our hope. Once again, breaking news, Baltimore, Maryland. An explosion in this building, the BGE building. 23 people injured, 21 of which have been transported to area hospitals. The window washers who were on the scaffolding that you see dangling off the side of the building have been rescued. We're waiting to find out the cause of the explosion, and we'll have more later on tonight. It is the American Doofus Show. Don't be a doofus.